Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an all-day clean with me. In this video I do a little bit of everything, all the jobs that need to be done while I've got the time. I post cleaner motivation videos for busy women because I find watching cleaning, decluttering and organising videos really helps to give me the inspo to get stuff done. So even when I don't feel like it, I always, without fail, feel better after this stuff's done. For those of you that are new to my channel, I work 4 days a week as a marketing campaigns manager. So at the moment, I've been working from home since March, which has been a bit challenging right now because we're remodeling our house, we've got a toddler, so life's pretty hectic. I know a lot of people have been working from home since everything got locked down, and it was weird at first, but now I'm kind of getting used to it, and actually I'm starting to really quite like it, and I kind of hope that the working from home continues, but we'll see. One of the things about being at home is that it's made me want to get my life organised, and I've been doing that gradually. If you've watched my last around about 10 videos, you'll know that I've been doing a lot of decluttering. I decluttered my wardrobe literally about twice. I cleaned out my little boy's wardrobe, and I went through a ton of boxes of baby clothes that were in the loft. I've still got a few areas that I need to organise, but it's so much better than what it was like. So if you'd like to check those videos out, I'll have them linked in the description box for you.
I said something you couldn't refuse. Dirty talking, but that's what I do. And when it feels right as a lion, baby, I'm not from the spot. I really like this a lot. And we knew what was going down. Yeah, left the others without a sound. Couldn't wait till we got outside. Couldn't wait to get home. Taking it slow, slow, slow. Know I put in the work, work, work. Then we go with that flow, flow, flow. You made my head go crazy. The boy, you really amaze me, yeah. When I get close to you and your body moves, what is left to do? Then when you whisper slow, I already know where it's gonna go. You drive me crazy, but with a single kiss, you are impossible to resist. I'm taking it slow. Work, work, work. Now I put in that work. Flow, flow, flow. You're crazy. Boy, you really amaze me. Yeah, slow, slow, slow. Now I put in that work, work,
My living room takes the longest to clean because I always like to deep clean it. So every time I take the rug up and thoroughly vacuum and mop the entire floor. I've got 2 cats, Lucy and Lila, and they are molting like crazy right now because it's pretty hot outside. So I'm forever finding balls of fluff around the place.
What's been? Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night. Like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 throw my emotions out. Go, 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 running to better times. 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 Let's get some sun, baby. It's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit while we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little Let's hit the club, time to make a move. Make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove. Nothing to prove. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit while we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Oh, shine a little tonight. Oh yeah, we can shine, shine a little tonight. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight.
Yeah, I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show 'em how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like
I'm making a conscious effort to keep on top of my ironing pile. I got to a point a few months ago where it was out of control. Honestly, it was horrendous, and it actually became pretty daunting and a little bit overwhelming. So once I got on top of it, I vowed that I would never let it get like that again, and so far, so good. Now let me be completely straight with you, I don't iron everything. If it doesn't need ironing and I can just hang it up in a way that it dries crease free, then I am all about that life. But there's some things that just don't dry like that, so I like to run the iron over them really quickly because I hate ironing. I hate ironing bedding in particular because it's just really awkward. To be honest, I need to get a cordless iron so badly because I think it would make the whole thing a lot easier. Please give me any cordless iron recommendations in the comments section and I'll have to look into it because this just is awkward. And that's that on that.
Yeah, I'm going all night, I don't need to stop. Yeah, I can't wait to hear that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shot it. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party. Cause I'm just an accident waiting.
Away, I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, then my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you. To you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you. To you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, then my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain on.
I'm finishing up downstairs and then I'll head upstairs and I'll start in my little boy's room. Now I usually do the bathroom first when I start cleaning upstairs, but I don't actually need to do that today because I did it a couple of days ago, so that's one less job to do. I actually filmed that bathroom clean with me, which is the video before this one if you'd like to check that out. If anybody's wondering, my fiance is taking our little boy into the garden while he tries to tidy it up a bit. Our garden is a complete disaster area right now because with the house remodel, the garden has been trashed with all the building work. The builders are sorting the drains out right now and it's a bit of a big job. So I'm really glad that we didn't start our home improvements with the garden because I'd be so sad. The grass in particular is really taking one for the team at the moment.
It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you. Next to you. Next to you. I'm thinking louder than my brain can take. Have to say something, but words fade away. I want a picture of all of my mistakes, posted on the wall right in front of me.
Moving into our bedroom, I'm just going to put the clothes away that I've ironed and just do a general tidy round. My fiance Chris bought some beautiful flowers for me and I love them so much. You can see them on the windowsill. They're roses and peonies, which are my favourites. The mirror here always has thousands of tiny little fingerprints all over it because my little boy loves opening and closing the doors and he likes to see his reflection from every single angle. We're making really great progress with our own bedroom right now, the new bedroom which will have an ensuite and walk-in closet, so I can't wait till that's finished. In fact, make sure that you subscribe because I might just film a little preview video of our new bedroom and show you where it's up to right now in my next video.
If I could speak up, then maybe you would hear, or maybe the tension could disappear. I'll give it a shot, a whisper in your ear.
I really hope that this video has given you lots of cleaning motivation. If you love cleaning, decluttering and organising videos, then be sure to subscribe to my channel to clean along with me. I post videos twice a week, so if you need any extra cleaning motivation today, then I have a ton more videos for you. I'll leave a playlist for you to choose from in the description box if you'd like to see more. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support for my channel. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Like this video if you've liked it, obviously. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
No matter where I lay my head.